Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate client communications with Drip step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Drip account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign to start a new project. Choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as a welcome series or follow-up. Give your campaign a clear and descriptive name. Next, define the audience for your campaign by selecting the necessary criteria. This can include segments based on behavior, interests, or specific tags. Now, it's time to add your email content. Click on Email to create a new message. Use the drag and drop editor to design your email layout. Add text, images, and buttons as needed. Ensure your message aligns with your campaign goals. After crafting your email, move on to setting up automation triggers. Select Create Workflow to define how your campaign will operate. Add the specific actions you want to occur in response to these triggers. You can include sending emails, adding tags, or notifying team members. Customize the timing for each action to ensure effective communication. Once your workflow is set, click Save to finalize your changes. Test your workflow by sending a preview or test email to yourself. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test outcomes. Once satisfied, activate your workflow to start automating communications. Monitor engagement through the analytics provided by Drip. Make informed adjustments as needed to optimize your client communications. Regularly review your campaigns to ensure they remain relevant and effective. And that concludes your step-by-step guide on automating client communications with Drip. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.